So we're here at Morton's to celebrate a certain couple's anniversary. So how many years has the anniversary couple been married?
What did you say, Johnny?
65 years.
65 years. So we're going, now this is a special video because Dad never gets to eat steak, and but he doesn't necessarily want to be a vegan or vegetarian. So the point of this video is to see how a vegetarian or vegan can handle a steakhouse, and this happens to be one of the best, which is Morton's Steakhouse, which is one of the premier steakhouses in the country. And so we're going to go into Morton's right now to celebrate an anniversary and to see how to navigate a steakhouse for vegetarians and vegans.
Anniversary tonight?
Yeah. It's 65 years. So.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
And then these are going to be your wine and cocktail.
So what are you showing us, Mom?
I'm showing you a red flower petal that the restaurant has left for us for our anniversary.
And they also let these wonderful notes on everyone's fork and knives. Yes. So there you go. Pretty fancy, wouldn't you say?
I never expected anything like this. I mean, this is an inner sanctum.
There's spinach and mushrooms,
Green beans.
asparagus, baked potato, Brussels sprouts. A
Oh.
vegan can just go wild.
See, so a vegan can eat in a steakhouse. Dad, what do you think about the idea of a vegan eating at a steakhouse?
I think it's very unusual, highly unlikely.
Unlikely?
But at least this is one exception that you found.
Yes.
That
Well,
breaks the rule.
we're here celebrating, and this is a common problem for people who want to adhere to vegan or vegetarian. They think that they can't go to normal restaurants, especially a steakhouse.
Yeah.
But as you could see,
This is the antithesis.
it's the antithesis of a vegan or vegetarian. But as we will see, it actually is possible.
Yeah.
So I did find a couple of salads.
Yes.
A steakhouse wedge salad.
Perfect.
And a chopped house salad.
Outstanding.
Now, one thing I did not find at Morton's are prices.
Well, we
Right there.
don't discuss that.
We're not going to discuss the prices.
Because the veggie vagabonds are taking care of their
Mom and
dad for their
However,
65 anniversary.
I think that your followers should know that.
There are prices, but Mom, eyesight isn't very good, and they use a very thin font on the menu, a very light font, so that you don't really see what the prices
Oh
are.
my goodness!
Oh,
now I see.
no.
Oh my gosh, it's so
Oh, now
funny.
she sees
Why
it.
did you tell her? You weren't supposed to tell
Well,
her the secret.
because no, she's not
I'm going to
gonna.
brought my flashlight. If I don't.
I have my flash.
Bring it out.
Think about that.
Oh my word. Why did you give her the answer? You should have never given her the
I wasn't
answer.
even talking to her. She was eavesdropping.
Yeah, she's eavesdropping while she's in earshot
Now
of
I
you.
can see.
Now you can
Oh
see.
my God.
Well, I don't care what you
You
say.
don't want to know.
No, you're not going to
I don't want
know
to be protected.
because it's all going to be ordered.
I
Okay.
want to have the experience of being.
He wants to have the full experience.
You are getting the full experience.
Well, your mother tries to protect me from.
You are going to get the full
Oh.
experience today, Dad. So here at Morton's, you can get a nice starter. You could do the shrimp and oysters and crab. And of course they have the hot shrimp, crab, and beef dumplings. They have an ocean platter, but they have nice salads. And this is where a vegan or a vegetarian could have a chopped salad, a wedge salad, maybe French onion soup. And then of course,
Greek salad.
or the Greek salad. And then of course you could get truffled cream corn as a side, or baked potato, or green beans. A lot of different options there. But you know, this is a steakhouse. But guess what? You can survive it. You could come to a steakhouse and enjoy vegetarian and vegan options. So here's our first option for you vegetarians and vegans. We have a chopped salad here at Morton's. As you can see, something very wonderful. You could just live on the sides here at Morton's. Be perfectly, feel perfect about your eating.
That's right.
Yeah?
Yeah, they have wonderful sides.
Absolutely. If it does, it's very light. So tell me what you think.
It's very smooth.
So it's very smooth, Dad?
Oh, and it has avocado in it.
It has
Super
avocado
yummy.
too?
And fresh
Well-
cucumber,
Oh, wow. Sounds great.
red onion.
Tomato.
Yeah. So what do you think, Mom? Pretty good or not so good? What do you think?
I could make a meal with this.
Oh my. And Dad, do you like it?
It has an unusual consistency.
Really?
Usually
How,
when I eat salad, it's crunchy.
Yeah.
This is smooth as can be.
it's smooth,
It's like
okay.
it's ground up.
Interesting. And sweetheart, what do you think?
Yeah, it has like a light Italian dressing on it.
Okay.
It's very good.
Nice. Okay.
Center of gravity of this knife, and you would expect there to be more at the handle. See where my fingers are? And it's stable. I move my fingers right and left until it reaches the center of gravity.
So this is what we discuss at the Veggie
Here's a
Vagabonds.
perfect-
We do engineering discussions and physics discussions.
Happy anniversary to
Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Sing fast.
Okay. 65 years.
Like this one for you guys.
Ready?
We're so far away. We want the whole
Yay. There you go, Joe.